How to link Greenlight Card to Cash App. So it's actually super simple. All you gotta do is press on your profile icon right here in the top right corner. Then from here we gotta scroll down until we see the option for linked banks. So select it, and right here you should see the option to link a debit card. So all we gotta do is press on this plus sign, and here you will type in your information for the Greenlight card, and then after you have typed everything correctly, you can click on link card. However, if you don't see the option here, or if you can't fill in all the information, you can just click on no card, and here you can search for your institution manually by clicking on the continue button. So if here we gotta search for Greenlight, then you might not see it, but we can click on add manually, and it will ask you for your bank's routing number, and you can just type in this information. But I think you should be good enough to go with the previous method that I showed you by simply linking a debit card. So it is as simple as that. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.